This is another Hunter Loki ceiling fan, but we got that one right there, and this one right here. Notice any differences? That's right. This one is 36 inches. Get up here on the bed. I'm gonna show you the Hunter logo. Huh. I think that might be it. Yeah, that's totally it. Okay. We'll get off the bed here. I kind of like this one despite how modern it is. Kind of okay with modern stuff with ceiling fans when they're like 36 inches or smaller. That's kind of what I think. But other than that, here's the light. Those are daylight bulbs in there. And I'll bet you they're also 60-watt equivalent. Anyway, here's low speed. Got a pretty nice low speed to it. Not gonna lie. Let's put on medium speed. That was kind of bumped in the door right there. It's got a rather nice medium speed to it, I gotta say. We'll put it on high speed. And just watch closely what happens. Just look very closely. It's wobbling like an idiot. I'll give you a top shot of it. Oh, not yet. Okay. Well, that's it for this one. Hope you all enjoyed and stay tuned for some more.